Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another graduation week video. Today I have another cute box card for you. This is my Way to Go Girl graduation box card. How cute is this design? You have that graduate there, so happy to be done with school. You have all of her different honors there and the university in the background. Here in the front is just some fun plants and fun flowers. It folds relatively flat for mailing. There's a spot on the back for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. This card is really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, your scraper, weeding tool, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Graduation Week 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in the entire event, including all 7 cut files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus graduation cut files through the VIP Access Pass, you can find information down below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Go ahead and click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, come up to the Operation menu and change those to Score, highlight the group, and Attach. We need to do the same thing to the outside box piece. And to the inside tab piece. Once the score lines have been converted on the envelope, the outside box piece, and the inside tab piece, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish along the score lines of the outside box piece. Just like that. Now I'm going to attach the inside cover panel to the inside of the box piece. And I'll flip the box piece over. Now we can layer the messaging panel and then attach that to the backing piece. And then that can be attached to the back of the card. There we go. I'm going to set that to the side so we can go ahead and dry. Now we can go ahead and layer the inside tab piece. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the orange, then red, then the yellowish cream color. Before I layer everything together, I'm going to fold and burnish the tabs on the inside tab piece. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. There we go. I'll set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Again, you can refer to that layering guide for help with that. There we go. I will set that to the side. Now we can grab the outside box piece and the inside tab piece. I'm going to add glue to this left tab here and attach it to the left side here on the outside box piece. I'm making sure to line up the edges well. And now I will add glue to this right side and fold that over onto itself. And give the card a good fold both ways just to make sure everything is laying the way that I want it to. There we go. I'm going to fold in this left front tab and add glue. And I can attach the left side of the front cover panel. And now I'll add glue to the right side and close up the box. And there we have our card. I'm going to set that to the side so everything can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over, attach it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With our thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our box card is all set. How fun was this box card to make? A definitely good pairing to the previous box card in the event. Make sure to check that out in the video description. I hope that you like this one. If you make this card, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Because this is our last video from this year's event, I just want to take time to thank you so much for making this event so much fun. I have loved seeing your different posts and your different projects that you have made throughout this week, and it just really makes me very happy that these designs have made you happy and that hopefully they'll make the graduate happy as well. So that's going to do it for our final graduation week video of the year. As always, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye-bye.